Hi, Ingrid here from Open Journey. I was gonna journal with the love theme from the With You devotional. And I'm here on page 8 and 9, where we have the 1 Corinthians 13 verse, and think about this strong love that enabled John to follow Christ all the way to the foot of the cross without wavering. And how can we increase this love into our hearts? Now, a very good way to do that is using the prayer of the heart. Jesus, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner. There was a kit a few years ago called Prayer of the Heart, and these are elements. This is an element from that kit. Also, this graphic item, I cut out some flowers, floral shapes out of it. Also, I printed it on vellum a while ago, and I love vellum because it gives such a beautiful dimension to the pages. And here I have these strips from the washi strips from the With You kit, and actually the Prayer of the Heart kit is available, but only in digital format. So I was gonna use these washi strips on this page. Sorry, these washi strips come with the kit, the Lent kit, but also you have them in a digital format, and I use them a lot, so I print out a few pages with these strips, and to have a bunch of them because I use them a lot. These florals are from the past Lent kit, come with me, and they go very well with this year's Lent kit. So I pulled elements from all over, but I wanted to use this heart. Jesus, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner. It's a beautiful prayer that can definitely bring us closer to Christ. So I just glued these flowers down, and I'm gonna use this vellum because it's beautiful transparency there that I really like. The elements on this page are not glued down or anything. I was just putting them there to see how I can use them visually for this theme. So I'm gonna overlay this vellum page that has actually elements cut out from it, and I'm glad I didn't throw it away because I like this contrast of clarity and translucency that it gives. On top of this, I will add this heart that says, Jesus, Son of God, have mercy on me, a sinner. And these cool washi strips from the Living Stones kit. I'm like pulling elements from all over, but it's cool. It gives you an idea how you can use elements from various kits. They all work very well together. And from the stamp set that comes with the With You kit, I'm gonna use love, the words love and him. I'm gonna stamp it right there. So love and him. I use this cross one so much that I don't even take it off. So now I'll be using it. Use another little piece of a washi strip to kind of secure the vellum to the page. This Pray Without Ceasing die cut piece is also from the Prayer of the Heart. Now we use it there. Probably I'll just use glue for that. On the other side, I don't have these affixed yet, but I'm just going to move them down, and I'm going to use some washi strips to make a little header. This piece is also from the Prayer of the Heart. And there's going to be journaling on this card that says love him, just like the stamp. And I think this is it for this journaling entry. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm looking if I might add a few stamps. Yeah, I'd like to add this love stamp, Remain in My Love. This is very bulky here. I'm not even sure this is going to turn out, but I'll add it anyway. I wanted to add the Desert Journey or Emmanuel. Here we have Desert Journey, and I will add Emmanuel as well. So I think now this is it. And also this is a postcard. You can use it to send it to someone. Encouragement postcards. They're really cool, very easy to use, convenient. You need to send a quick encouragement word to somebody. So I think this will finalize my entry for today. Thank you for watching, and God bless.